Welcome to Open Source Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a bootable USB for Windows 10. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for Rufus Download. Click on the first link. Now download Rufus Portable. I had already downloaded it. Close the browser. Now open Rufus and insert the USB into your computer. Select the Windows 10 ISO file.
Check the top right corner if you don't know where to download it.
Select the ISO file and click on Open. Click on Start to continue. It will erase everything on your USB. Make sure to back up your data. Wait for the process to get completed. Now your USB is ready. Close the window and reinsert USB into your PC. Please make sure subscribe the channel to get further updates. Thank you.